Hello everyone, it's me Fida here for you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how to make the face mask at your home to get rid of the oiliness from your skin. And I'm going to make this face mask with the help of cucumber. So guys, I'm going to divide this video in three portions. The first portion, it will be related to the benefits of the ingredients. The second portion, it will be related to the ingredients with the quantity. And third portion, it will be our complete procedure where I will let you know how to make it and how to apply on your skin. So guys, now we are going to start our first part where I will let you know some benefits of the ingredients. Cucumbers are the most inexpensive way to treating oily skin and its related troubles. Its astringent properties helps tighten skin pores and remove sebum, dirt and the dead skin cells from the skin surface. Cucumber also contains vitamin C that helps to maintain the oil balance of your skin. Adding some lemon juice increases the oil controlling properties to mask. This face mask contains Fuller's Earth Clay, which works as an oil absorbing agent. Additionally, it helps tighten the skin pores and improve the overall appearance of your face. That was first part of the video where I have shared some benefits of the ingredients. Now we are going to another part of the video where I will share with you the ingredients and the quantity. So for this face mask, we have needed only 3 ingredients. Number 1, we have needed the Fuller's Earth Clay. Number 2, we have needed the lemon. And number 3, we have needed the cucumber. So guys, now we will go to our quantity, what quantity we have needed for this mask. For our first ingredients, Fuller's Earth, we have needed only 2 tablespoons, and for our second ingredients, lemon juice, we have needed 1 tablespoon, and our last ingredients, cucumber juice, we have needed 2 tablespoons. So guys, these were the ingredients and the quantity. Now we are going to our final part of the video where I will share with you the process, how to make it and how to apply on your skin. This is 2-step method, and the step 1 is mix Fuller's Earth, lemon juice and the cucumber juice. Guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do in this step 1. Number 1, take 2 tablespoons of the Fuller's Earth in a bowl. Number 2, add 2 tablespoons of fresh cucumber juice to it. Number 3, also add 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice and mix everything together. That was our step 1. Now we are going to our step 2, and step 2 is apply the cucumber face mask once a weekly. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what you have to do for this step 2. Number 1, use a cosmetic brush to apply an even layer of pack on your face. Number 2, let the mask stay for 15 minutes or until it dries completely. Number 3, wash it off with a cold or warm water as per your liking. Number 4, do remember to apply a moisturizer afterward as the clay can dry out your skin. That was simple and the easiest method to make this face mask at your home to keep your skin oil free. So guys, I would suggest you may have this mask on your skin once a week. So that was the video for today. Next time I'll come with some interesting and useful solution. Till that time, take care.